Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Today I decided to prepare some kind of the Forex Potpourri. So this will be some kind of the run through all the steps that we have on the different currencies. Because today is Friday and we have too much different setups on different currencies to talk about them all carefully. That's why we will run through all the changes that we have on the our setups. And we will start from the euro currency. In this weekly chart of the euro currency, in our weekly research, we said that actually this was the 2 points below this, approximately when market was around 114 area in a sense. Well, guys, here till the 117.35 market has no real barriers, no fib levels, no resistance, no pivot points, nothing. So it just has the free space till the weekly overbought and major fib levels 117.35. You can see very important reaction point, and the first rate resistance that's also accompanied by the weekly overbought. So that's why we think that market is coming to this target and has really big chance also to make the wash and rinse of this top. So usually before reversal, especially in the forex markets, price tends to show the wash and rinse to grab stops above this area before real starting of retracement. That's why we think that market really could continue move higher and will hit the resistance somewhere in this area. Some retracement could start, some reaction on this resistance area. That's what about the euro currency. Right now, let's turn to the Australian dollar. Our yesterday's setup has worked perfect. So if you remember, it was actually our reversal session, as we have talked about on the daily chart, this 4-hour time frame chart. And we said, well, usually market will show some downward continuation because it stands at overbought at the weekly, the resistance, something of what we expect on the euro currency. It stands at overbought on daily, and also it has completed this large ABCD. Minor reaction should happen. We think that really could reach 77.25 by far. We will see whether this will be so deep retracement or not, but actually it could be. But anyway, as you can see right now, here's the pattern that we said that as soon as market will break the trend line and show reversal swing, that indeed has happened. As you can see that swing down here is a bit greater than this swing up. We said take a look for ABCD upward retracement because free drive sales very often happens in these moments, and this indeed has happened. So that was the perfect free drive sell pattern. This was my entry point here, but I have this sleeping order. I even was not on the computer, so this happened in the night. And here, guys, by the way, I missed this upward bounce, so I have seen that's my order filled only when I see this already bounce up. So that's why I have taken the half of the profit and the rest the half, move the stop to the break even and just watch the movie, what will happen next. If market will drop here downside and will taken out of these lows, I will move out my stop right to the small stress and top. So this is just typical management of the stop orders. So if you have done the same and you have taken this position by this cardless triple to sell, now you could maybe do the same or manage your position how you like. So just do not forget to move your stop to the break even if you're taking position at the same point when the ABCD has been completed. But anyway, as you can see, our setup has worked nice, and right now we're looking what will happen here. So now let's go to the Great British Pound. On the Great British Pound, it's a bit more important stop because it is a longer term. And on the daily chart, guys, actually today is a very important moment because here market could restart upward action. So reaction on the 618 extension target of this minor ABCD has been completed. I think that is sufficient reaction. We do not need any deep retracement here, so that's enough. Because market not at resistance, not at the sum overbought. It's just retracement on the minor target, and retracement should be also minor. Besides, here we have the frosting candle, and it suggests that some positive impulse still stands in the market, and it means that very probable that upward action should be reestablished somewhere from this point. So our next target stands at 132.50 RS. So this is the combination of the ABCD 1618 target and this most recent ABCD. As you can see, 100% AB equals CD target. What options we have here with managing with the position, how to enter this trade? So for example, as you can see, you could wait for a closing of the current week. Because today, guys, as you can see, market could form the bullish grabber. If market will form the grabber, it will suggest the taking out of the stop and just give you the more confidence in trading this. This is the first option. On the 4-hour time frame chart, guys, you see that our double recall has been completed. Market even has reached not the 50%, but confidence support. So market stands right now, the confidence supports 129.30. That's another reason why I think that upward action really could be reestablished from this area. But this reestablishing could happen differently. And there are some pitfalls here exist with the possible taking the trade. So following the Judd Napoli tool of the taking the position that calls the Minesweeper, here we have the opportunity to do this. So you can see that trend has shifted bullish on the hourly chart right at the strong support area. So we think that the context of the trading is bullish here. That's why here was minor A, Minesweeper A tactics entry point. So we see when the trend turns bullish on the lower time frame, since our major trading time frame is daily, so we drop our time frame to the hourly, wait when the trend will shift bullish, and wait for the retracement. And this has happened right at the 618 support. So that was minor Minesweeper A opportunity to take the long position. So if you have done this, now you can move your stop to the break even, which will happen. The next opportunity calls as the minor Minesweeper B. It happens when the trend starts to turn bullish. Market is forming some kind of the second leg of the upward action. You are searching for the fib levels, for example, for the confidence support, and taking the position on retracement to the confidence support. But what is the really pitfall exist here? So here, as you can see, market is forming some kind of this currently 222 sell pattern. And it would mean that before real reversal, market could still form some kind of the drop. So it's not totally vanished this opportunity. The market will able to drop and show another leg, minor leg to the downside before real reversal. This really could happen. But at the same time, 222s not always leads to the taking out of these lows. It could lead for some minor bounce. So maybe it will coincide with the 3-drive buy pattern, with the minor sweeper B opportunity to go long. So because retracement here could be just to the one of the levels that could be built on this most recent swing up. So I hope you understand what I'm talking about. It's sounding a bit confusing, but it's difficult to explain in another way. So that's why if you're not very if you do not have a lot of experience with the trading and just understanding what the swings of the market on the lower time frames, it's better to wait for more clarity. For example, if market will show the upward breakout here and move above this top and erase this opportunity for this patient, you could try to take position on the retracement. If you want, you could try to make some experiments with the Judd Napoli tactics with looking for some other patterns here. But what I would like to say that on the Great British Pound, this level is very important because it's really strong support, and it's really the point where market could reestablish upward action. Maybe some other pattern will be formed here. It's very difficult to suggest right now. So who knows? So maybe head and shoulders maybe will be forming something of that sort. But keep an eye on this level because this could become the point where bullish price action could start. Now, the last currency that we have is the Japanese yen. On Japanese yen, we have the least progress compared to all other currencies. So actually, market has completed this ABC retracement that we have discussed, if you remember. This is our attempt to go to trade the bread and butter trade. But as bread and butter hasn't started, we actually hasn't got any entry opportunity that we would like to get because our long-term view on the Japanese yen is bearish, as we have estimated in vehicle research, and we think that the bread and butter will bring us some deep retracement that will let us to go short. At the same moment, we also have the intention to trade the bread and butter per se, so some scalp trade to the upside. But right now, as you can see, market is forming the widening, broadening bottom here, and mostly will depend on the direction of the breakout. So if market will taking out, it's almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 swings. It's now standing in the way. So if market will break this to the upside. This will be the brand body, some kind of brand body look like start and deep retracement indeed can happen. But if this rolling bottom will drop to the downside, in this case, we should forget about any retracement and brand body trade, and probably we will need to search another chance to join this action to the downside. So that's why on Japanese yen, as you can see, it's not very interesting situation by far. So that being said, we have run through all our steps that we have. Let's keep an eye on the progress that we will get today, and especially on a Great British Pound.